What's up, people? Warren Buffett's a hack. He's a hack. All right? I'm sick of this guy. Yeah, richest man, blah, blah, blah. Oh, he's got a stock. He never split a stock for 25 years. He's having these great meetings. You're so smart. You're so educated. You saw none of this coming, right? None of this coming. I'm not investing in tech stocks. I don't understand tech stocks. Oh, you understand everything else, right? You understand about financial companies. You understand about life insurance companies, consumer staples. Understand this. Where was your hedging? Where was your foresight? You're supposed to be on the board of directors of all these companies. How come you didn't see these bad assets? How come you didn't see this thing coming? How come you are pretty much basically getting smoked along with the market? As a matter of fact, you're getting a little bit more destroyed than the averages, if you can believe that. Warren Buffett. You know what the thing is? If you got 1 billion shares or something, there's no way you could start lightening up without people starting to take notice. I appreciate that fact. But you got to do something to protect your investors. You got to be doing something. You got to be selling prior. You got to have foresight. This is what we thought Warren Buffett was all about. All I heard was how Warren Buffett, he could see into the future. He's got a crystal ball. This guy's amazing. You just got to put your money with Warren Buffett and you'll just never lose money ever. It's just showing you right now that nobody knows anything, not even Warren Buffett. Like I've been saying for the last year and a half, the only people that knew anything were called kooks, lunatics, doomsdayers, whistleblowers, and all that bullshit. Everybody. When I sold out in October of 2007, people said, "You're getting out of the market. We're hitting highs here." I was like, "Yeah, but do you remember in March with the subprime and the LEND? If the insurers are going out of business, and next thing you know, we went 9 months without talking about it, and I'm hearing that Bear Stearns isn't doing any business anymore because they have some assets on their books that they don't exactly know about, that they don't understand how they're going to get out of the situation." I mean, I was hearing this. This is just me. I'm a nobody. All right? I know a few things. I know a few people. I hear some things. And I was hearing in October of '07 that it was going to be a really bad year. And I took my money out of the market. Now, where was Warren Buffett? Where was he? I don't understand. Maybe he should have been lightening up. Or if you didn't want to just get out and start putting, all that money into cash, obviously that's insanity because he can't do that. He's basically a fund himself, but at least hedge himself. At least do something where you can make some money on the downside. You got to know about some products where you can make money if the mortgage industry is collapsing. You had to know that there was ways of making money if, why not invent something yourself? You're such a brilliant guy with a brilliant team. You're awesome. You're a fucking hack. Warren Buffett's a hack. Everybody's a hack. Analysts are hacks. Everybody's a hack. The only people that know what the hell's going on are the fuckers down in the trenches making the markets work. Specialists, traders. They're the ones that are making this thing go. Okay? Brokers don't know shit. Look at the MetLife. Boom. So anyway, everyone is a hack. Everybody. The only people that are going to make money are the people that are on the front lines right now. If you're not a trader right now, you're a nobody. Okay? You're a nobody. I'd love to be a broker right now calling people to try to get them. I know, Mr. Jones, we loved it at 120. We bought some more at 80. At 40, it looked really good. Now that it went to 20, I know it's $3 now, but you got to have faith. We bought it long term, Mr. Jones. We weren't looking to make money, last year when I bought it at 120. So at 3 here, you got to be cost averaging, Mr. Jones. I got to love those phone calls. Got to love those phone calls. So anyway, the market's so resilient right now that it's making me just want to puke. Here's the thing. Everybody was in the same ballpark that the world was coming to an end today. Numbers were going to be awful. But if everybody says something, what do? We go the other way. Have you learned that lesson yet? Have you? 99% of the people I hear on television right now is saying it's going to get worse. 99% of the people saying this is the worst thing they've ever seen. They don't know where the bottom is. I don't know what to do. I don't know how to make money. And these numbers were coming out today. It was almost simple. It was almost simple to get long. Why do you think the market wasn't gapped down huge this morning? Because people were betting, basically, the smart people, the hidden people that you don't talk about, they had a bid on the market, right? And when the numbers came out, it was like, whatever. I mean, we're not doing anything dramatic right now, but we're not crashing. Now, this could be just a setup. I would not be going long at the open, because if anything, it's going to just rip down, scare the shit out of everybody, and then maybe we'll rally after that. What I'm looking for is obviously not looking for stocks that are gapping up right now. Okay. I might be, I'm still looking at the GLD because that's going back to 100. Thank you very much, Mr. Crow. Thanks for not telling me to buy at 100, but telling me to get it at 90. I saved everybody 10 points. Because that's another thing. When I came home from that trade show, everybody and their mother, $2,000 an ounce for gold, 1,200 easy that week. As soon as it broke 1,000, people thought we were going to go up another 20%. And that was a popular consensus about on people that were, I'm sorry I didn't run the video. I'm going to run the video. I'm going to start editing them tonight. Got a couple of videos. Day Trader Rockstar, my man. Trent from Global Futures. I got some guys from the VCM Capital Group. Not many things. I was keeping it low key. But majority of people, everywhere I went, gold was going to 1,200 that week. Yeah. Awesome. Warren Buffett's a hack. People are hacks. Everyone has sheep mentality. That's why nobody buys stocks when they're going down. It's the stupidest thing in the world. If you got a TV, like when I bought a TV, big screens were starting to come out. This was how many years ago. My boss, back in the day, he bought an $8,000 TV. The thing was the size of a car. I'd never seen anything like it. $8,000. Next year was $5,000. Then it was down to $4,500. Then it was $4,000. Next thing you know, it was $3,500. Boom. That's when I bought it. It was about maybe 2 years later, found the same television for more than half price what he paid. So you want to buy things on sale, right? Obviously, you want to stay with companies that probably have no chance of going out of business. That's the thing right now. There's a shot that everything's going out of business. America's done. And every stock's going to go to zero. That's why it's hard to buy when we're going down. But these are the only things that people don't like to buy when they're on sale. God damn it, you scumbag! My fucking day already. There was only one stock on my screen that wasn't green yet. It was MetLife, and I managed to get, what'd I get? Wow, I got 200 shares at $11.95. It's a $12.25 bid by $12.50 now. So anyway, everyone and their mother was thinking that we were going to collapse. So the thing is, we have to have a shakeout. We're just not going to open up strong and just go up. I don't think it can happen. So look for a pullback. Look for stocks that you've wanted to buy. Not long term, of course. Looking to trade. I should start speaking more properly. Looking for stocks that you want to trade. And if they hold their gap price and don't go red, you might want to get in there. Use the red price as your out. Because generally, if they reverse and go red, they're going to go down a little bit more. Or, what I'm going to be doing, scumbag, what I'm going to be doing is looking for stocks that are still gap down. My list is basically vacant right now. Yeah, my list is dwindling as we speak. I'm looking for stocks that were hopefully going to be gap down today, reverse green, and then buy them then. Especially around, you mother, at whole numbers and stuff. 1250 bid on the Met. I'm a genius. You know what? I want to just hack my arm off right now. It was the only red stock. I was like, I don't give a shit what's going on. I'm buying the stock at 11. Where was it down to? It was like 1170. Was there some sort of bullshit news that came out on that? I don't know. But here, right there in a nutshell, stock was gapped down. I bought it. Looked like it was going to go positive. Oh, somebody hit my 1250. What, cameras are on or something? What's going on here? All right, anyway, I'm hanging on to the Met. If it goes below 12, I only got 200 shares. Whatever. I wanted to buy more. If I would have bought more, I'd be out of it already. But now that I only have 200 shares, I'm going to hang on. Maybe I get a point out of it. If not, dumping it at 12. Gas. Oh, the burritos. It's repeating on me. Oh, Jesus Christ. I think I just dropped a nugget. So let me go clean my underwear. Watch out, because the market is still a piece of garbage. Warren Buffett's a hack. And make sure you come to the chat room, because you want to know about Warren Buffett, he's right here.